Katie, are you suffering from dry skin this season?
Not anymore, thanks to my February recipe box. We're gonna show you a recipe for a face cleaner that's great for both dry skin and oily skin.
Let's check it out.
To make this recipe, you will want to grab your recipe card and labels. You'll also want to grab the vegetable glycerin and body wash base, which comes in your box, as well as our clear skin essential oil blend and Palmarosa essential oil.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your almond oil and your fractionated coconut oil. You'll also want a 2-ounce PET plastic bottle.
Or you can use glass. Those materials are best for using essential oils. Let's get started. So our Bi-Phasal cleanser has 2 phases, a water phase and an oil phase. These are gonna sit on top of each other and kind of remind you of a lava lamp.
We're gonna start with the water phase.
So in our water phase, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of distilled water.
And then we're also gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of our body wash base. You'll also need a 1/2 teaspoon of our vegetable glycerin.
And now we will stir. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour this into our 2-ounce container. And now we're gonna move on to our oil phase.
So we're gonna add a tablespoon of our fractionated coconut oil and another tablespoon of almond oil. We're also going to add 1 drop of Palmarosa.
And 2 drops of clear skin.
Again, we're gonna wanna stir this up to make sure it's evenly incorporated.
So now we're gonna add this to our 2-ounce container as well. And here you can see our final product. We added a label. We've got the water phase on bottom and the oil phase on top. These combined phases are cleansing and moisturizing.
To use, shake so everything is evenly incorporated, and then wet your face and you can put it right on a cotton pad. Ooh, it feels nice.
It's a gentle cleanser, great for both oily and dry skin, and it smells so good. To make this recipe and get everything you need for it, subscribe to our February recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box, and then you can hit that subscribe now button.
You'll get everything you need to make this recipe plus more. You're gonna love the way it makes using essential oils easy.
Thanks for watching.
Ooh.